good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you come your way up.
Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. My name is Jodie Paul. Today's video I want to share a few days with you in my life. Let's start this video in the evening. I'd come with some 5 liters of milk and I wanted to boil it. Don't mind me boiling it in a non-stick. I don't have a bigger sufria. That's the only bigger pot I had. Now it has boiled and cooled and I wanted to get this cream. That's why I let it to stay a bit longer. This cream is so useful when you're making traditional veggies. Yeah guys, it makes them so yummy and I love such kind veggies. So guys, if you're new here, feel most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. This is how I store my cream and put them in the freezer. It can stay as much as you want once it is in the freezer. So when I want to use it, I just remove it and defrost it. Yeah guys, so I divided my milk into two. This one I want to use to make yogurt. My son with yogurt, so I had to convince him to leave that one aside so that I can use to make some yogurt. So here I'm just adding the vanilla yogurt, and I'll be adding vanilla essence and sugar to help it to fermentation, and then cover it and store it in the oven. I mean, that's the warm place and safe place in my kitchen so far, now that the baby is around. And you know my kitchen is so small, so I'll just pour everything and stir well and cover it with a cling film and some kitchen towel and store it in the oven, and we'll look at it 24 hours later, that will be tomorrow, and check how our milk has turned out.
Nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you come your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun.
These are some of the liters that I kept away. Guys, imagine I don't have storage jars. It's when I realized I need to get myself some storage jar. So I had to use this bottle, but with time we'll save and get some cute storage jar. These things are damn expensive and you need to get them when you are ready. At this point I wanted to make some samosa and I didn't have mincemeat, so I used this meat that I had stored in the freezer. I want to use a blender to make the mincemeat. To my surprise guys, it did amazing. I don't know whether I'll be struggling to get mincemeat. I think I'll be doing this more frequently. Yeah guys, so stick around. I want to make some samosas. I want to show you how I prepare some spiced wrapped samosas, guys. Yes, nowadays I don't do plain wrapped samosas, I do spicy wrapped samosas. It looks so yummy.
If you come your way up, do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun, 'cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned.
So our mincemeat is ready. We've already minced our meat and it looks so good. It's the grade 1, let me say so. Because I sorted it myself, there's no bone in it. The blender really did an amazing work. I love it, although it was small, but that's enough. I want to start making the filling. I'll be starting with The beef, I've already added some oil, of which I didn't show you guys on the pan, a little bit of it. I'll be adding my spices, that will be garam masala, and I'll be adding some of them as we go. But the main spice here is garam masala. I'll be adding salt, and I think I'm not going to add a lot. I'll be adding a bit of soy sauce, a bit of it to add some taste, and then we'll make the filling. Later I'll be adding the onion and grated carrot, and I'll be adding some coriander leaves here, guys. So those are the things I'll be adding today.
Nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you're flying too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make or break when you never did stand a chance. Don't mess up, don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you're flying too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned.
My filling is ready, and now I want to start to make my wraps. So these are the spices I'm going to use: basil, paprika, oregano, and salt. You can use any of your choice. There's no one specific. And now I'll be using all-purpose flour. I'm not going to make a lot. As you can see, my filling is small. So yeah, guys, so let's make the wraps.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, 'cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, 'cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing.
I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. Mine give out 7, and then roll them into smaller balls like the ones now I'm doing that way. And once I'm done doing that, I'll roll them into smaller size and later apply oil and apply flour on each, and then pile them together and later roll that into a big dough. And then that the one that I'll put on the pan and then separate them.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna.
Here I was using the pot lid to shape it in a round shape like this, and I was using a pizza cutter to cut it. Yeah guys, so you can use anything that can give you a round shape, or a plate, or anything. I've already separated my wraps and cut them into preferred size, and I've stored some. Those are not all, I had to store some, and that one is my paste. I'm done guys, magic work. I'm done. These are the samosas I'm going to fry, and then the rest are kept. Yeah guys, so let's fry and see how it turns out.
It's not a thing. It's not a thing. I'm halfway out, just trying to lose you now. Yeah, it was an illusion now. Yeah, I just wanna see you out. So give it up, leaving all your texts on red with the games you left now. Give it up, sick of all the things you said, getting in my head now. So I don't wanna know.
So guys, this is the following morning. I'd made some breakfast. I made some pancakes and the samosas that I made the previous evening, and tea, and we also had some orange that we were going to take for breakfast. The reason why I shot this video, I didn't want to shoot this part when I was making breakfast, but the outcome of the pancakes are the ones that made me to shoot this part. Guys, the pancakes are so soft. The reason why I use this ajab mandazi flour, I've come to love this. I used this when I was making my sesame mandazi, but guys, they were so yummy. They were tasting like cake. It was like, it had a different taste. And then when I made the pancake with it, I felt that I should share with you, my followers, to know that this ajab really does wonders. I've tried the self-rising one, but this for mandazi is a game changer, guys. It's a game changer. So if you haven't tried it, please go try it. and you'll just tell me the outcome. I didn't use any baking, but look at how my pancakes are fluffy. I love how combination it is. So this was in the evening, much later in the evening. I wanted to show you the outcome of our yogurt. It was so amazing. It came out so amazing. So let me stir it and show you the consistency.
I'm halfway out, just trying to lose you now. Yeah, it was an illusion now. Yeah, I just wanna see.
Ini keki siyo ugali. Ini keki siyo ugali. Kata keki. Kata keki. Kata keki siyo ugali. So here my son was celebrating his birthday. We were still in Nairobi. This was a previous before we came to Nakuru, but I felt that I should share with you guys. Yeah guys, so this is him and his cousin wearing the mask, face mask, and yeah, it was just a mini birthday. There was nothing much. And you guys, thank you so much. If you've watched this video until this point, thank you so much. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please do so. And yeah, thank you so much, and let's meet in another video.
Two shots with a broken spleen, yeah. I'm blessed with the mess you leave, yeah. It's hard to stop in me, yeah. So I don't wanna know the things that you left in my brain, starting all over again. I only put it away, they run back in my face. I'm done with all that you can say, so leave me alone. 'Cause